So, you want to work at an Amazon warehouse, but you just don't know anything about the job. Well, that stops here. Hi, my name is Dylan. I'm an Amazon warehouse employee. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys all the resources you could possibly need to take your Amazon knowledge from here to here. We're going to talk about everything you need to know before you even step foot inside an Amazon warehouse for your first day. And when I say everything, I mean things like inside footage of what you could be doing on the job, to top Amazon tips before your first day, to Amazon employee benefits, and of course, to the end of the week paydays, plus much more. So if you guys want to get the latest on future Amazon warehouse information, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And also, a lot of y'all are probably interested in who won last video's $500 Amazon gift card. I have indeed picked a winner, and I'm going to be announcing their name towards the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. So first off, let me just say that 2020 has been a very memorable year for me in a lot of different ways. One of those ways being that I decided to take on a job working at a local Amazon warehouse. And then I decided to talk about my Amazon job experience on the internet in hopes to help others who might one day be in the same shoes as me. So over the course of the last 9 months, I've learned a lot about the Amazon warehouse lifestyle, and I've made a variety of videos covering different Amazon topics. So I thought this would be a nice opportunity to recap my top 10 favorite Amazon videos of 2020. And all the videos I have on this list, I have linked down in the description, so make sure to check them out after this countdown. So without further ado, here are my top 10 most helpful Amazon videos in order from useful to even more useful. Here we go. Number 10. So kicking off this countdown at number 10, we have my all the possible jobs you could be working at inside of an Amazon fulfillment center video. If you guys didn't know already, I work at an Amazon fulfillment center, and I believe that they're the most common type of Amazon warehouse job because they offer full-time hours and higher pay compared to other Amazon warehouses. So in this video, I talk about all the different types of roles you could be assigned to if you're about to start working at an Amazon fulfillment center. All jobs inside of the building from the time a product comes off the inbound trucks to the time it gets packed up and sent out of the FC. And yeah, I go into detail about every role specifically and what you can expect to be doing. So be sure to check this video out, especially if you're going to be working at an Amazon fulfillment center. Number 9. At number 9, we have my interview with an Amazon L3 process assistant. This video is actually pretty unique in that after I had my interview with Gio, who is the L3 process assistant, I walked away learning way more about Amazon than I ever thought I would have. Gio is a fantastic speaker, and I think he did a really great job in discussing key topics such as how to go about getting a promotion, like the steps you need to take and how to prepare, and what it's like being at the level 3 position rather than the level 1 position, which is where you start off at. And he even talks about how pay raises work, which at the time I had no idea even existed. And yeah, that video is jam-packed with invaluable new employee information, especially if you're looking to make Amazon a full-time career, so I definitely think it's worth a watch. Number 8. Coming in at number 8 on this countdown of my most useful Amazon videos, we have my top do's and don'ts before working at an Amazon warehouse video. This video is kind of quick and straightforward, and it's relatable to a lot of the people who watched it and work at Amazon. Here, I talk about the things you should and should not be doing while you're working at an Amazon warehouse. Things such as overworking or trying to work too fast are a definite no-go for this type of job because everyone gets paid the same. This is just one example that I talk about in this video, and like I said, if you've worked at an Amazon warehouse in the past, then you're definitely going to be able to relate to a lot of these do's and don'ts. So yeah, I think it's for sure worth the watch if you're a newbie to the job. Number 7. Alright, now we're getting into the middle of the pack of the countdown. So my 7th most useful Amazon video of 2020 is my why you should work at an Amazon warehouse video. This video is very positive in nature, and it's basically a video to help push you over the edge in case you're still unsure about whether or not you should commit to working here at Amazon. Here, I talk about things such as employee benefits both for part-time and full-time employees, as well as the pay and how it's well above minimum wage, and many other positive things. There are many great things that Amazon has to offer despite what you may read on like Reddit or other online forums. And if you're wondering what those positive things are, this video should be a must watch. Number 6. At number 6, we're gonna shift from what I like about working at Amazon to what I hate about working at Amazon. This is another one of those videos where it's gonna be very relatable to current or even former Amazon employees. but at the same time, it's going to give upcoming employees a better idea of some of the annoying things that they're going to come across when working at this job. Some of the reasons aren't as bad as others, but some are just downright unacceptable. Towards the end of the video, I did go on some kind of rant because I really do believe Amazon could do a better job in some aspects of their work environment, but overall, I try to be as constructive as possible. So check out this video if you're going to be working at an Amazon warehouse soon and want to know what you can expect to get on your nerves at this job.
Number 5.
So right in the middle of the countdown, I gotta put my common Amazon questions video. I just feel like this video was so necessary at the time because up until the point of when I posted it, the comment section of my previous videos were just getting absolutely flooded with repetitive Amazon questions. And like you guys who are subscribed know, I read and respond to every comment. So I wanted to address some of the most common ones that I kept seeing in an actual video to try to reduce the questions. But yeah, I enjoyed reading all of these questions from everyone and I enjoyed being able to answer them inside of the video. A lot of great questions were asked, so if you're going to be working here at Amazon soon and you have questions, it was probably answered in this video, so go check it out.
Number 4.
Coming in at number 4 on this countdown is my new Amazon employee starter pack video. In this video, I talk about a handful of items that I think are absolutely essential for new Amazon workers to be using or at least have. And almost all of the items that I included just came from personal experience. Items that I picked up and found to be really helpful while working the job here at Amazon. Looking back at the items that I talked about in that video, I really don't think that I would add or take away any of them. I really do believe all those items have their own uses when it comes to working, and they can definitely make the job 10 times easier to get through each shift. So I would say that this video is an absolute must-see for new Amazon employees.
Number 3.
Clocking its way all the way into number 3 is my Amazon 2-week payday video. If you're looking to work at Amazon, you've probably seen their $15 per hour minimum that they advertise. Well, it's true, and if you watch this video, you will see that you can easily make way more than this minimum. So, working here at Amazon does offer decent money in my opinion, and being able to see how much I got paid in my first 2 weeks on the job should be able to give you guys a better idea of what you can expect to be making per month at an Amazon warehouse. In the video, I also talk about things such as overtime extra pay and paid time off hours that I used, as well as the taxes that I had to pay. I tried to make it as informational for you guys as possible. So if you're interested in learning how much you realistically could be making here at Amazon, it's definitely worth a watch.
Number 2.
Alright, for my second most useful Amazon video of 2020, it's gotta be my day in the life working at an Amazon warehouse video. In this video, I take you guys with me inside of the warehouse and you can see exactly what I see walking around the building to my workstation. And I show you guys exactly what I do for each of my 10 to 12 hour shifts. And I also show you guys what I do on my breaks and how I clock in and clock out and basically the whole 9 yards. I had a lot of fun making this video and it just so happens to be my most viewed video on my channel by far. The only reason I have it at number 2 on this countdown instead of number 1 is because it's more of a watch what I'm doing type of video instead of a proper explanation video. And I feel like especially for new workers, informative videos are just more useful. Regardless, this video is definitely one of a kind and I'm happy to have been able to show you guys what you can expect your day to look like inside of the warehouse. Alright, so before we get into my number 1 favorite Amazon video of 2020, if you've made it this far into the video, make sure to hit that like button. It takes about 2 seconds and it really helps out the channel. But with that being said, let's get into my favorite Amazon video of last year.
Number 1.
Okay, and sitting at the top of the countdown as my most useful Amazon video of 2020 is, drumroll please, my top 10 tips before working at an Amazon warehouse video. I really like this video because it's short, it's to the point, and it includes 10 really good tips I think every upcoming Amazon warehouse employee should know before stepping inside of the building. A lot of the things that I talk about in this video I learned on my own during my first few weeks here at Amazon, and I really wish I had someone to tell me these things before I started the job. And I will say that tip number 1 has gotten a bit of controversy in the comment section of the video, but I still stand by that tip even today, no regrets. So if you are planning to work at an Amazon warehouse in the near future or have just recently started, I would highly recommend checking out this video. Alright guys, so that'll do it for my top 10 most useful Amazon videos of 2020. If you think a new Amazon employee would benefit from any of these videos, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Again, most of these videos are ideally for future and new Amazon employees. And if you're an OG subscriber and have already watched all of these in the past, let me know down in the comments, and also let me know which of these 10 is your favorite. And as always, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave it down in the comment section below. I read and respond to all of them. And yeah, like I said, don't worry, I'm gonna have links to all of the videos that I had on my countdown down in the description in case you couldn't find them. But yeah, that'll do it for this countdown. Now to talk about the $500 Amazon gift card winner from last video. Firstly, I just want to give a huge thanks to everyone who shared their positivity in the comment section of that video. It was amazing reading so many nice things, so thank you all again. There were a lot of entries, but sadly there can only be one winner. And so the winner of the $500 Amazon gift card winner is, drumroll please, Eddie Wu with the little Batman symbol. Congratulations, Eddie, you just got 5 bills worth of Amazon credit just for being subscribed and commenting on one of my videos. Eddie, please comment down below on this video a good way I can get in touch with you so I can send you your new $500 gift card. And for everyone else, don't worry, I'm going to be doing more giveaways just like this in the future, so just keep an eye out for them in my videos and you can easily become the next winner. But with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Click over here and over here to watch my top 2 videos from the countdown. And if you haven't already, do me a huge favor and click right over here to subscribe. Be on the lookout for my next video coming soon. It's not about Amazon, but I have a feeling y'all will find it interesting. So until then, stay safe guys, and I'll see you all later.